So students, in earlier class I had gave you the homework question number 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to start with question number 7. X is equal to 4 by 5 bracket x plus 10. X is equal to 4 by 5 bracket x plus 10. Then this 5 is in new denominator, so we are going to transpose it. So x multiply 5 equal to 4 bracket x plus 10. 5 into x will be 5x, 4 into x and 4 into 10. So 4 into x will be 4x and 4 tens are 40. Then we are going to transpose this 4x to the LHS side. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. Now 5 minus 4 will be 1x equal to 40. So we got the value of x as 40. Now let us check it out. So here x is equal to 4 upon 5 bracket x plus 10. Now in place of x we are going to write 40. 4 upon 5. Then here in place of x 40 plus 10. Then 40 is equal to 4 upon 5 bracket 50. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So 40 equal to 40. So here LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us check it out, the 8th one. 8th question is 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now these two numbers are variable and these two numbers are constant. So transpose this 7x upon 15 to the LHS side and plus 1 to the RHS side. So 2x by 3 minus 7x upon 15 equal to plus 3 minus 1. Now here LCM will be 15. So 3 will be multiplied by 5 and 2 is also going to multiply with 5. So 5 2s are 10x minus 7x upon 15 equal to plus minus minus sign of big digit. Then 10x minus 7x will be 3x. So 3x upon 15 is equal to 2. Now this 15 will transpose to the numerator and this 3 will be to the denominator. So x is equal to 2 multiply 15 upon 3. Then 3 ones are 3, 5s are. So 5 2s are 10. So here we got the value x is equal to 10. Now we are going to check. So 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now in place of x we are going to write 10. So 2 bracket 10 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7 bracket 10 upon 15 plus 3. Then 2 tens are 20 upon 3 plus 1 and 70 upon 15 plus 3. Then 5 table 3 times, 5 table 14 times. So here it will be 20, take LCM as 3. So 20 plus 3 will be 23 upon 3 and here same. So 3 3s are 9. So 14 plus 9 upon 3. Then 20 plus 3 will be 23 upon 3. That is equal to 14 plus 9 is equal to 23 upon 3. So here we can see that LHS is equal to RHS. Now next one, 9th one. 9th one question is 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So this y is going to transpose to the LHS side and 5 by 3 to the RHS side. So 2y plus y equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Then 2y plus y will be 3y, that is equal to 26 minus 5 upon 3. Both the LCM are same. Then 3y is equal to 26 minus 5 will be 21 upon 3. Then 3 ones are 3, 7s are. So 3y equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 by 3. Now let's check it out. So LHS 2y plus 5 by 3. So in place of y we are going to write there 7 by 3. So 2 7s are 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So 14 plus 5 will be 19 by 3. Similarly, RHS 26 upon 3 minus y value is 7 by 3. So 26 minus 7 will be 19 by 3. So here LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us check it out, the last one. Here it is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Tenth one, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now this 5m is in variable, so transposing it to the LHS side. So 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now 3m minus 5m plus minus minus, sign of big digit. So minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now here minus and minus cancel out, and 2 and m both having relation of multiply. So we will transpose it to the divide. So 8 upon 5 multiply 2. So m is equal to 8 by 10. 2 table 8 comes 4 times, 2 table 10 comes 5 times. So the value of m is equal to 4 upon 5. Now LHS is equal to 3m. So 3 multiply 4 upon 5. So 3 4s are 12 upon 5. RHS 5m minus 8 upon 5. Now LCM will be 5. So multiply 5, multiply 5. So 5 5s are 25m minus 8. Sorry. RHS is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. So in place of m, here we are going to write the value 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Then 5 4s are 20 minus 8 upon 5. Then 20 minus 8 will be 12 upon 5. So here we can see this LHS is 12 by 5 and our RHS is 12 by 5. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. So students, we had completed exercise 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. Now we are moving ahead to exercise 2.4. Before continuing more further, let us understand one more example based on linear equation in one variable. Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. So if we are going to consider the Shreya age be x, so let Shreya age be x. So Arjun's age will be twice, means 2 times of Shreya age. We had considered that Shreya age be x. So Arjun is twice old as Shreya. So that's why Arjun age will be 2 times of Shreya age. Now condition 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Now for 5 years ago we are going to take two condition. For Shreya age 5 year ago it will be x minus 5. And for Arjun 5 year ago will be 2x minus 5. Now here it is given that 5 year ago his age was 3 times Shreya age. His age, it means Arjun age. So Arjun's age will be 3 times of Shreya's age. So now according to the question, Arjun age we had considered here 2x minus 5, and Shreya age we had considered x minus 5. Then 3 into x will be 3x, and 3 5 is 15. Then this 3x will transpose it to the LHS side and minus 5 to the RHS. So it will be 2x minus 3x equal to minus 15 plus 5. Now plus minus minus sign of big digit. 2 minus 3 will be 1x, and minus plus minus sign of big digit, 15 minus 5 will be 10. Minus minus cancel out. So we got the x value 10. So here we had considered that Shreya age we had considered x. So her age will be 10 years. And Arjun age we had considered 2x. So 2 multiplied 10 will be 20 years. So like this way you have to solve the question based on age. Now next exercise 2.4. This question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4 and 5 is your home assignment. You have to solve this by your own. This is a word problem. Try to understand it. Amina think of a number. So if Amina is thinking of a number of x and subtract 5 by 2 from it, so it will be 5 by 2 should be subtracted from it. So x will come first, minus 5 by 2. She multiplied the result by 8. So we are going to multiply this result by 8. Then the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Now the result obtained now means this is our result is 3 times the same number she thought of. She thought of the number x. Now this is your equation that you have to solve. And this question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 is similar type of question which we had solved in exercise 2.3.